I also own a black nice sorry. I'm late. I saw a cat vintage retro shirt. He knocked up a stray. And now we have a little carbon copy of him named Jinx. When you realize you've been spelling it wrong the whole time, lol. I had left out the A at the end of all my dudes. Nice sorry. I'm late. I saw a cat vintage retro shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. When he looks back in that nice sorry. I'm late. I saw a cat vintage retro shirt. I swear. I get the mental picture of that black cat from Sabrina the Teenage Witch. Forgot his name now, but I can hear his British accent. Really, now we must be off to trick or treat. Haha. I'm glad to see that 20 years later there is still no shortage of black cats named Binks. If we ever get a black cat, my wife will almost certainly insist on that name. I get where they're coming from with the name Binks though. Hocus Pocus is one of my favorite movies, TBH. But I do believe I follow the same naming styles as you do. My cat's full name is Baron Vladimir Harkonnen von Fuzzbutt. Other products.